If you want your invoices, estimates, or purchase orders in Zoho Books to look clean, branded, and professional, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a custom template in Zoho Books, step by step, beginner friendly, and perfect. By the end, your documents won't just look better, they'll represent your brand identity perfectly. Let's jump in. First, let's understand why custom templates matter. Whether you're sending invoices or estimates, a customized layout makes your business look polished and trustworthy. Your logo, your colors, your style, everything aligned across all documents. That's the power of Zoho Books customization. Now, to get started, head over to the Zoho Books website and sign in. You can log in using your email and password, or simply continue with your Google account if that's easier. Once you're inside, you'll land on the main dashboard where all your business activities are organized. From the dashboard, look to the left sidebar and scroll down to settings. This is where Zoho Books keeps all the tools for personalizing your account. Inside settings, find and click on PDF templates. This section is the control center for customizing the look and feel of your invoices, estimates, and more next. Choose the document type you want to create a template for. It could be an invoice, an estimate, a purchase order, whatever you need. After selecting it, click on New to start building your custom template from scratch. Now comes the fun part, designing your layout. You can upload your logo, adjust the position of your business details, choose brand matching colors, select fonts, and rearrange sections to make everything clear and visually appealing. Whether you want a clean minimal style or something bold, the customizer gives you full control. As you design, make sure to use the preview option. This lets you check your changes in real time so you can catch any alignment issues or formatting problems before saving. Once you're happy with the look, hit save, and your new template is ready to use instantly across your documents. And that's it. You've just created a custom professional template inside Zoho Books. Your documents will now stand out and reflect your brand with every invoice you send. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials, and drop a comment if you'd like a guide on more Zoho features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.